What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. For this week's video, we're going to be talking about the Jordan 1 Breds. The Patent Bred ones dropped pretty recently, so I figured I'd do a 3 ways to style on my 2013 pair. To help you guys out with some fit inspirations if you decide to pick up the Patent Breds. We'll be styling around the black and red colors, so you will be good to replicate these looks with the Patent Breds really easily. Personally, I didn't pick up the Patent Breds since I already had my 2013 pair. 9 years in and they're still going really strong. Anyways, let's get right into it, guys. We've got 3 ways to style the Jordan 1 Breds, and then we'll do a quick run through on the details towards the end. First up, keeping it saline, we've got this saline white beanie, Acne Studios raw denim jacket in black Acne tee, Carhartt double knee pants, I've been wearing these a lot lately, and the Jordan 1 Breds on feet. Really clean look, mainly playing off the black elements on the shoe and throwing in a little brown in there to match with the red tones too. Next, for look 2, we've got a grey and green combo, starting things off with a white Aimé Leon d'Or cap, Stussy and Nike collab jumper in grey, white tee for the layering, Comme des Garçons zipper cargo pants, and finally the Jordan 1 Breds. With this fit, we're letting the colors from the Breds pop, while still pairing them with more muted tones like grey and washed green. That way, still keeping things chill without too much color clashing going on. Lastly, for look 3, we're going for those light springtime colors. We've got a brown Carhartt beanie to start, AMI Paris bomber jacket, white tee underneath, washed blue Gucci denim, can't go wrong with those, and the Jordan 1 Breds again on feet. Definitely the most colourful fit out of the 3, while again playing off the red on the Jordan 1 Breds, pairing that with some soothing brown tones. Now let's get into some details real quick. We've got the black and red box from 2013. I believe this was the period that Nike brought these boxes back for the first time in commemoration of the OG Jordan 1 model for the Breds. Of course, we have this classic black and red colorway with that red swoosh, that beautifully naturally aged outsole, some 9-year-old toe box creases, not forgetting that heel drag on the back, natural distressing on the ankle area, a black tongue area with that red Nike swoosh. This was also the first time that Nike brought the swoosh logo back. And finally, my own lace swap with these sail white laces. All of my laces are from factory knots, and these are the 180 cm ones if you guys are looking to do the same. As you can see, guys, I've been putting my Breds to work. I mean, they're really beat, but I think they look amazing this way and gives your sneakers tons of character as well. Breds are probably still my favorite and the most classic colorway for Jordans in my opinion. So if you don't have a pair in your collection and you're into the Breds colorway, with the resale being so low right now, I'd say the Patent Breds will be a pretty decent pickup. But with that being said, guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.